Here's how you can create your own custom sounds on Snapchat and reuse it anytime. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You can either record a new video or upload a video from your gallery. For this demo, I will upload a video. Once your video is ready, look at the top of the screen, tap on Add Sound. A pop-up will appear with multiple songs. On top of that, you will see a menu. Swipe left and tap on My Sounds. Then, select Create Sound. Now, you can either upload from your camera roll or record using the microphone. Let's record our own sound. Tap the microphone icon and record anything you want. When you're done, stop recording. Now give your sound a name and save the sound. Your custom sound is now saved to Snapchat. Tap on this new sound to apply to your story. Now you can post it to your story or send it to friends. And that's it. You've successfully created and used your own custom sound on Snapchat.